Hey, Daddy.
Jeffy, what do you want?
I was wondering if I could go in the bathroom and try my pee-pee in the toilet seat.
Ew.
Jeffy, you have the hiccups.
The hiccups? Why?
I don't know. They just come randomly, but they're really annoying. I hate them. Jeffy, stop doing that.
I can't help it, Daddy.
Well, then go over there and do it. I don't want to hear them. Jeffy! Oh, okay, we have to get rid of those hiccups.
Drink
just
water.
hold your breath for a really long time.
Hold my breath.
Yeah, just hold your breath. It'll make them go away. Just hold your breath until you can't breathe anymore. Keep holding your breath. Keep holding your breath. Oh, okay, you can breathe. Jimmy! Jimmy, breathe! You can breathe, Jimmy! Oh, no.
Lies Jeffy, an innocent kid that died because his dad forced him to hold his breath.
The loss of the subscribers. The loss of the subscribers.
CPR. Oh, you're alive, Jimmy!
So Jeff became a popular
Your hiccups are
character.
gone, Jimmy! Okay, that's someone call a doctor, and he's gonna
Wow.
get rid of those, because I can't say they're annoying.
Okay, Daddy.
All right, what's the emergency?
Okay, my son has hiccups.
The doctor for hiccups? Are you kidding me? I could be doing surgery right now. I could be saving lives, not helping a kid with hiccups.
Yeah, Daddy.
Sarah, stop hitting me! He has hiccups.
Buggo, bud.
Well, I don't know. I'm not a hiccup specialist.
What, there's a hiccup specialist?
There's a
Yeah,
hiccup
I know one.
specialist?
Well, can you call him? I really need him.
Okay, yeah, sure, I'll call him. Hey there, I'm the
It's
hiccup
that
specialist. It's
guy.
me.
You're a hiccup specialist?
Yeah, I went to 5 years of hiccup school.
What, are your parents proud of that?
No,
You
no,
that?
they're not.
Well, how do you get rid of hiccups?
Well, first I'm gonna have to take a look at Jeffy and see how bad these hiccups are.
Okay.
Okay, open your mouth, Jeffy. Say ah. Let me really get up in there. Smells like pepperonis.
Yeah,
It's
I got
really
hiccups
bad case of
pepperonis in
Well,
there.
how do you get rid of them?
Well, usually in a case like this, we have to scare them. It's a part of a 7-stage process. So basically, we're gonna have to Yeah, that didn't work. All right. Well, if that didn't work, I guess the only thing we got to do now is No, not quite. I'm gonna have to go out to my car and get a few things. Man, this kid's got nerves of steel.
Oh, okay.
All right.
What's stage 2?
All right. Well, stage 2 is basically All right, that's not working. Come on, follow me. Yeah, come on. Yeah, still nothing. All right.
Jeffy, come on.
Okay, stage 2 is the balloon effect. Jeffy,
Balloon
take this
effect?
balloon and hold it.
Wait, a balloon?
Okay, you like that balloon, Jeffy?
Yeah, I like a balloon.
Oh!
Kidding me.
Ah, man, I really thought that was gonna work.
What?
All right, okay, stage
Really?
2 for real this time. You like that balloon, Jeffy?
Yeah.
Jesus.
All right, on to stage 3.
All right, come on, Jeffy.
All right, so stage 3 is the angry drunk dad coming home from work stage. It scares the kids every time.
Ha.
Sharon, where's my dinner? Sharon, I got laid off at work today, Sharon.
What?
Sharon.
You'll be paid for that.
What is this? Soggy cookie crisp for dinner again, Sharon? That's not healthy.
Are you gonna pay for that?
So I can yell at it. Don't make me get the best. Did that work?
No.
Alright.
It's scared like
Stage 4.
5-year-olds.
So stage 4 is the apple on the head stage.
What?
No.
Apple on the head stage?
Yeah, it's where we put an apple on Jeffy's head and we shoot it off with a crossbow.
Oh,
I love that stage.
Well, yeah, it's dangerous. That's why it's scary.
what happens if you miss?
Well, if I miss, the arrow goes through Jeffy's head and he dies instantly. But if I hit the apple, it'll be awesome.
Yeah.
All right, let me go get my gun.
Yeah.
Boom! Man, I'm gonna get him eventually.
That was mask.
Let's do this!
Okay.
All right, let's shoot this apple.
Okay, Jeffy, are you ready?
Yeah. All right.
It's gonna be
he's
fucking
ready.
hell.
Okay.
It's gonna be
3,
fucking awesome.
2, 1.
Oh my god!
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, he still has hiccups.
Well, he may still have hiccups, but look at that shot! Bullseye!
Well, what
Dang.
are those hiccups?
Yeah,
Fucking
if you want
awesome.
more bad news, I also put a hole in your wall.
Nice!
Yeah, okay, on to stage 5.
Thank you.
Alright, so for stage 5, we got a bomb here! Yeah, a bomb! And Jeffy has to deactivate it by cutting one of those wires, and if he cuts the wrong one, it explodes and we all die! It's a black one!
They're all black.
We gotta get rid of those hiccups!
Okay, Jeffy, choose a wire.
But Dad, I don't know which one to pick.
Just choose a wire, Jeffy!
Yeah.
Cut all the wall.
Mighty,
an Apple Watch taped to a firecracker taped to an Xbox power brick.
Wow.
Anyway, on to the next one.
The heck?
Alright, so for stage 6, we're gonna push Jeffy out of a plane without a parachute.
What?
Yeah,
Duh.
only the fear of hitting the ground and dying is gonna get rid of his hiccups.
But what if he actually dies?
Oh, don't worry, he's not gonna die. Not as long as he hits the Twister Man.
With the Twister, Matt?
Yeah, you know Twister, like the board game?
Yeah.
As long as he lands left hand red, we're good.
What?
Left hand red?
Here you go.
Really? Left. We're good.
Jeffy, are you okay?
Well, he landed left hand on red, so I'd say that's a win in my book.
Yeah.
Hiccup's gone.
Hey, he's still alive.
What do we do now?
Drink water.
It's time for stage 7. The worst, most scary thing that I can think of.
Well, what is that?
Style.
Alright, everybody, put your stuff on the counter and make sure it's open. That's good. Alright, how much I owe you?
772.
Okay, let me just get my wallet. What? Where's my wallet?
No.
I forgot my wallet. I must have left it at home. Oh no! Oh no! How am I gonna pay for all this? We already opened it, and I drank my drink. But what are we gonna do? Do you have your wallet?
No, I don't have my wallet.
Oh no!
This is
What a scary
embarrassing.
situation! How are we gonna pay you? What do we do?
You leave.
How embarrassing! Okay. Well, stage 7 didn't work, and that was the scariest thing I know. So
How's
I don't
that
know what to do
scary?
now.
That's so embarrassing.
So what do we do now?
Well, I hate to admit this, but I think Jeffy has incurable hiccups.
What, incurable hiccups?
Yeah, I mean, I don't think there's a cure for. Boom!
Stop.
Alright. I had to try just one more time. Yeah. I hate to say it, but I think Jeffy's just gonna have hiccups for the rest of his life.
Drink water.
I don't want hiccups for the rest of my life.
Get out of here, you stupid fly!
Come on, Jimmy, it's just a fly. I know, Dave, but it was really scary. It's like...
Okay, really. Sorry about that.
I don't want
Got no
hiccups for the rest
internet.
of my life.
Got no
Get out of
internet.
here, you stupid fly!
Come on, Jimmy, it's just a fly. I know, Dave, but it was really scary. It's trying to eat my face.
Wait, Jeffy, I think his hiccups are gone.
Wait.
Really?
Yeah!
Wait, Jimmy, do you have hiccups? I don't think so. What? I think that fly, it cured his hiccups.
What?
Oh, no. No, please don't stop me.
Alright.
Round
Get
two.
the crossbow. Boom!
I don't know. I don't know how to scare someone. You're like, wow.